Good morning. It is Tuesday. It is the Bubba Show. And today, what I really want to talk about, as you know, I get tired of talking about the news and what the potential ramifications are, because you know we're still waiting really for a major fundamental news bomb that could change the overall financial picture. Volatility appears to be changing. We all of a sudden, the VIX has seemed to possibly bottom here. And I'm not calling for a bottom, because we could certainly be back in that same rut that we've been in for months. But it appeared last week's action bringing us key reversal days, day after day, opening on lows, closing on highs, opening on highs, closing on lows, is giving us a sudden change. And adjusting to the sudden change is what I want to discuss with you today and look for what's happening. So we see that the markets are starting to make much bigger intraday moves. We've got away from where 2 weeks ago we had an 11-point range in the S&P for the entire week. Last week we had 11-point ranges in a day. And this is something that is signaling, this is somebody's tapping you on the shoulder and saying, hey, look at this. We're starting to get a little bit of fear in the market. We're starting to get a little action. Now, fear does not necessarily mean the market's going down. What fear means is that people are willing to take profits quicker. There is some profit taking going on. It means that volatility is going to start to pick up. Option volatility, implied volatility is starting to come up ever so slightly. And what does that mean to us as traders? That means that it gives us a greater opportunity to make a greater profit on more of our trades. It also can create, sometimes quicker stop outs. If we're wrong, they're going to go down much faster or up much faster, depending on which side of the market you are. But understanding and adjusting to it, we are now moving into what we would want to call a moderately aggressive trading portfolio. Even though we're sitting around this 14,000 level, I think you want to watch the levels of 1,500 in the S&P to 1,530. I would be somebody who would look to sell around that 1,530 and buy around that 1,500. Now that's a big swing. In futures, they call that 30 handles. That's big movement that will allow us a lot of opportunity to make some very good trades. And now we're starting to see some more of this activity in the market. As this approaches, it makes it easier for the trader to get in and out. Those little tortoise moves make it much more challenging, and that creates a lot more of the letting the air out of the balloon and taking away opportunity. So now it looks like, at first blush, that we are now looking to have some better opportunity here. Stay with your same plan, follow the rules, but now you can be, instead of being so conservative, you can now step up a little bit, because you're going to receive more opportunities. And this is recognizing how volatility is starting to change. Watch the intraday ranges as they widen out. That creates a better opportunity for us. So we like to have a little bit of fear, a little bit of uncertainty in the market. That allows the market to trade in bigger swings. Well, that's kind of trading volatility, and this is what we want to focus on. Remember, Bubba's Picks, another solid week. Remember, the Bubba Show for Tuesday. Have a great day. We'll talk to you on Wednesday.